I am Nikki Hichu from CollegeSource. I'm the Director of Admin and Finance. CollegeSource is an information solution for higher education. We serve over 2,000 colleges and universities with over 1 million users worldwide. In 2009, CollegeSource acquired Red Lantern from Miami University, and we had 2 instances of QuickBooks. We had separate general ledgers, so our CEO wanted combined financial statements, but we had to manipulate everything, take it to Excel, and it took quite a bit of time to produce those statements each month. It was very, very important for us to integrate with Salesforce. Our QuickBooks had a third-party sync that took information back and forth to Salesforce, and it was pretty terrible. It's an extra expense, it's hard to troubleshoot. So we knew we wanted the information to talk back and forth, but we didn't want a third party involved in that. So Sage Intacct was the best solution that we found. We cut our close by 73%, even though we doubled the amount of invoices that had to come out. We reduced our DSO 30 days. That increased our net working capital by $1.5 million. The CEO has her own executive reporting package. She can drill down into anything she wants to see, which is especially helpful when she's doing her best work at 2 in the morning. The majority of our income is contracts that renew each year, and now with contracts feeding into Sage Intacct, we can reliably forecast the month down to the penny, and because of that, into the next year. We've been able to cross-train now, so we can take vacations and don't have to take our work with us. We can cover each other. That's been huge. The planning tool looked awesome and exactly what we would need to again, give the CEO that flexibility to say, okay, what if the team gets 6% increase this year? What if we do this or that or the other? Because she does ask for quite a few scenarios, and it is our pleasure to get it to her as quickly as possible. So Sage Intacct is awesome just because it's saved us so much time, and we can access it from anywhere without being scared about security or anything like that. We trust it.